Welcome everyone on in this session. And today we have two of our alumni, Mr. Abhishek Singhal and Gitanjali with us. And the session topic will be significance of branding, pre, during, and post COVID. So the session will be covering like why branding is important and what is the relevance of a good branding presentation in a specified place or maybe on internet and social media platforms, which is like quite essential for any brand to give it to a public image, like what they are creating and how they are projecting themselves to the customers and public. So I will begin by introducing Abhishek and Gitanjali. Abhishek Singhal is our UG 2011-15 hard material graduate. He's the founder of Adhyan Design and Abhishek Singhal Photography, two of his ventures. At Adhyan Design, he's working in the areas of product, space, graphic design, installations. And his second venture, Abhishek Singhal Photography, Abhishek works in the domains of lifestyle, product, fashion, e-commerce, interior and model photo shoots. And he's also doing a lot of branding projects. Abhishek firmly believes in helping out passionate people to reach out to masses through his lens and imagination. Our second graduate, Gitanjali, is our UG 2014-18 soft material batch graduate. She's founder of Studiographa. Studiographa is a communication design setup that provides branding design solutions to new upcoming brands and startups. So at Studiographa, they provide professional yet artistic design solutions that make brands stand out through their lens and through their creative works. So I welcome you both, Abhishek and Gitanjali, to the session, and it's a pleasure to have you on in this platform. But
Thank you, sir.
yeah,
Thank you.
so I think we were discussing a bit about your work, and we will like to know more about what you are doing and how you have reached to where what you are doing currently through your brands. So I think both of you have not limited yourself specifically to the areas of studies. Like Gitanjali have done soft material design as her specialization at ISCD, and Abhishek had done hard material design, the furniture design department. And now you both are exploring different domains which are in the areas of graphic design, product photography, shoots, and branding projects. So, it's a question like, how did you came up to these areas, and like you're not limited yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me, Abhishek? Hello, hello. Yeah.
हाँ थोड़ा सा
I
आवाज
want
कट
to
के आ रहा
know
है इसलिए
the.
थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है हेलो
Okay,
हाँ हाँ
okay. I think the connection might have lost in between. So I would like to ask, how did you
या
take up
या
the fields that you are presently associated with? And can you share your creative journey, like right from how you chose up branches at ISCD and how you have come up to this domain, what you're doing currently? So I think we can start with Gitanjali, maybe, like if you can talk a bit about it.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, thank you for giving us this beautiful opportunity to share our journeys and talk about branding.
Yeah.
And I'll start now. So, the thing is, the journey began before IICD, and I was always inclined towards arts and crafts since school time.
Yeah.
And then I joined art classes, and through art classes, I got to know about design colleges. And ICD happened to be one of them. I applied, I got through, and my entire family, we went to the campus. They dropped me off, and the moment we entered ICD, the vibe was so welcoming and so nice. And there were artifacts placed all around the campus to inspire kids and to, I don't know, promote crafts. And the lush green lawns, everything was very welcoming. And that is where the journey started. And the course curriculum was designed in such a way that we all were exposed to all sorts of fields. And the basis of design was formed, the basis of craft knowledge was formed. And I think we paved our way to graphic design through that. I'll share some things. For example, I was always interested in textiles, so I took up SMA. And through SMA only, I got to know the knowledge of print design, which is very crucial for graphic designing. I mean,
Yeah.
the composition, the layouting, the colors, whatever. I mean, the base was formed through SMA, the
Hmm.
course for the graphic design part. And also, I think when we talk about co-curricular activities, you get to know a lot about the person's interests. So I was very much into these co-curricular activities which are related to graphic design. I mean, we both, you and me, worked on Chisel, and we had a wonderful team. Chisel is the
Yeah.
official magazine, student magazine of IICD. So we designed the 2017 edition, and I mean there were little things that contributed, and all my academic internships were also in graphic design. So even the diploma project I did was with IICD and as a graphic designer. So I think that was an indication that I should take up this field.
Yeah.
And the best part is that IICD allows you the freedom to choose whatever you want. So
True. Yeah.
I had a great support system. All my teachers were very supportive, and that's the journey. And this is where I am now.
Yeah, very true. Like I remember when we have worked together for the chisel, you were so passionate, and I used to sometimes say, "Ki, yeah, Gitanjali, you're missing out your classes. You were having your design project, and you were like so keen on doing the magazine. I think you did the main graphic and content part of it. You and Kanishka as a team, you did wonderful job. I remember. So yeah, extracurricular activities actually often tells you more about what are the domains you're very passionate about. So that is why we encourage within the institute to have different clubs doing this magazine and coming out with different contents. So yeah,
Yes.
very nice, Tanjali. I think I'll ask Abhishek now. Abhishek, आपका क्या journey रहा? Like how you went into photography and you're also working for your brand Adhyan. So ये क्या journey था? If you can explain to us.
एक्चुअली जो मेरा जर्नी था वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही डिफरेंट है बिकॉज लाइक आई बिलोंग टू अ फाइन आर्ट फैमिली सो लाइक माय मदर माय फादर माय सिस्टर ऑल आर आर्टिस्ट like they
Okay.
are fine artists. So like so everyone wants that I also need to do fine arts. So like after
Hmm.
12th I don't know what to do. So like uh, I gave an aptitude test with a psychologist, and like after then the result came with some creative schools, with some creative design colleges. So like
Hmm.
ICD is one of the name out of the list. So like I
Okay.
don't know about ICD that time, so I went to ICD, and like उस टाइम पहली बार मुझे पता चला था कि सो लाइक डिजाइन नाम का कोई चीज होता है
Yeah.
बिकॉज लाइक डिजाइन का मतलब पहले ही होता था कि फैशन डिजाइन
Hmm.
किसी को व्हाट इज प्रो डिजाइन और या फिर
Hmm.
इंडस्ट्रियल लोग जानते थे so
Okay.
when I came to that college and I like have a look to all the scenario, all the workshops, all the like libraries related to design,
Hmm.
CDC room, everything is there. So like
Yeah.
that amazed me a lot. So
Yeah.
after like I took around 1 week to decide like is this what I need to become or is this the only platform by which I
Hmm.
can showcase my creativity.
Huh.
So after that this is the last and first option for me ICD
Oh,
because
okay.
like मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कह दिया था कि अगर डिजाइन में तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो पाता है so we'll give you like BA करो और जो बेसिक कोर्स होता
Huh.
है
Huh.
तो
Okay.
फिर so there is no option for this.
Huh.
So like I did some hard work related to like portfolio and everything, and like finally I got a last rank in ICT. But
Hmm.
unfortunately, I did good in college.
Okay. Nice. Yeah.
So
Them at ISCD
college,
is quite versatile, so that also helped you a lot in
yeah,
doing.
like ICT helped me a lot because I don't know where to present and how to execute my creativity. I don't know the process, and I don't know where to like execute what to execute. So
Yeah.
ICT gave me a a brain to think how to research, how
Hmm.
to how to think, and how to develop
Yeah.
what. Yeah, so that is the main part. Like I like मेरा tagline ही है ये concept design execution. So like ये tagline
Hmm.
वहीं से ही आया है.
Okay, nice. Yeah, it's very inspiring to see कि you didn't got stuck with your only domains which you have studied. Rather, आपने काफी अपना learnings को utilize करके your true calling was into branding and photography. So you pursued that. So I think a lot of students are often confused. Fourth year में आते आते उन्हें लगता है कि नहीं हमने किया product design है, but शायद हमें graphics या photography, animations ये चीजें ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. So I think the whole point design foundation ऐसे ही काम करती है कि in undergraduate college you often realize कि you want to explore other domains also, and the UG part helps you out into exploring these domains. So because design is very versatile and it is more of multidisciplinary, तो वो approach काफी अच्छा काम आता है. So yeah, true.
एक चीज interesting हुई थी like from my very beginning from the college, like from first year only.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
like I was earning from first year only. So
हाँ.
like whatever I learned from ICD, I used to do some project, freelance project with some other companies,
Okay.
very small scale projects. So like that gave me a boom how to earn.
हाँ. So with
So like
student this
yeah,
thing you were earning also for yourself. तो उससे
yes,
एक्सपीरियंस भी मिलता है, कॉन्फिडेंस भी आता है आगे की स्ट्रीम्स में कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. ये सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जो एज
बिल्कुल
स्टूडेंट आप
बिल्कुल.
अच्छे इजीली एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. या राइट. आई
Yes.
थिंक वी
क्योंकि
विल.
जो भी हम कॉलेज सीखते हैं.
या
हेलो.
हाँ हाँ, वी कैन हियर यू.
हाँ, तो जो भी हम कॉलेज में सीख रहे हैं, सो लाइक मेरा हमेशा ये रहता था कि जो भी सीख रहा हूँ वो काम का आने वाला है. क्योंकि
हाँ.
स्कूल्स के अंदर ये होता था कि 12th तक पढ़ लिया, अब क्या करें.
या.
मतलब बड़े सारे सब्जेक्ट तो कहाँ पे काम आ रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आता आज तक. तो मैंने पहले ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अगर मैं यहाँ आ रहा हूँ, so I need to think from the very beginning only. So whatever I'm learning, I'm executing side by side.
या
Yeah. So like
एप्लीकेशन
that is the
एग्जीक्यूशन
yeah.
पार्ट आल्सो प्लेज अ इम्पोर्टेंट रोल. मतलब सिर्फ
Yeah.
थ्योरेटिकल नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन बहुत
हाँ
जरूरी है.
हाँ
या
हाँ.
I think we would like to like my second question will be we would like to know more about your brand and like how you came up with them and what are the ideas behind the brand name, and you have got like really interesting logos so and brand identity. So will you like talk about it? Can you share a bit about that? We can start with Abhishek.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like I have two brands. One is Adhan Design Studio, and one is Single Photography. So like Adhan Design Studio, like I started this brand in 2016, and that time I was doing as a designer job at Ayush Kasliwal Design Private Limited.
Okay. Yeah.
So like during that time only I decided to like I need to start my own because like I have many ideas but I don't know who will buy it.
Hmm.
I did lot of research and did lot of adhyan for that.
Okay.
So that's why like I found that name very interesting for my design studio because ये जो नाम है ये कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करता.
Yeah.
ये पूरी ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर चीज में काम आती है. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस or if
Yeah.
you want to like if you want to study also, then you also need to
Hmm.
do adhyan. So adhyan is a Hindi word which I like named as a adhyan in English, ADDHYAN. So
Okay.
that's how it started.
Okay.
And like in adhyan we do like I mostly do concept design, mostly related to kiosk design and especially products related to interiors, products related to particular community. Like for example, I designed some water bottles made out of clay for summers. So like there I did black pottery and marna work, which is done by
Okay.
my mother.
Huh.
Yeah. So like I do bespoke only. I don't do production products.
Okay. And what
Yeah.
about Abhishek single photography? When did you started with that and like how you
So
came up?
I started this brand after designing my very first product of Adhyan. So the very first product of Adhyan is geometric motion pendant. And
Okay.
like for that, I took almost 1 year and I did everything for that. For example, execution, the graphics, packaging design, and cinematography, like how we can
Okay.
wear it, how to use it, everything is there. So
So you
like I
started with taking yourself as a client. You started with your own brand. Okay.
I did the DP, self DP.
Okay.
Yeah. So like with the job I'm doing that thing. So usko kya hua कि like when I launched that product, so
Hmm.
many people like the thing which I did for my product. Like for example,
Hmm.
graphics,
Hmm.
cinematography part, and how I can present my product to people. Like it should look
Ah.
like it should look like a brand.
Ah.
My brand is not very big. My brand is very small that time,
Okay.
but that should gives the feeling of a big brand. That is my
Yeah.
point. So
Okay.
I did everything, and after then, people approached me that they also want that kind of feeling to their product, because branding is all about what you are giving to your clients. It's not
So
about
when you yourself are a designer, you understand it better, like what to highlight in a product and how to shoot it,
yeah,
from which angle you have to shoot, how to show the material.
yeah,
I think wo
yeah,
detailing, sense of detailing, you automatically understand when you yourself is a designer and you're doing your
yeah.
product shoot. So
So just because of design only, I'm able to achieve the composition and correct frames in photography.
true, true. Yeah.
So that's how I started my photography brand, and I did almost successfully completed 50 clients within 1 year.
That's amazing. So how did you started promoting yourself initially? Like what were the platforms you have used to promote you and your brand?
तो सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है वो है माउथ पब्लिसिटी.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर मैं किसी के लिए काम करता हूँ तो वो 10 लोगों
Hmm.
को बताएगा.
Hmm.
वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा पार्ट रहा है. So
Okay.
like out of 50 clients, I got only 10 clients from digital media.
Okay. Okay. So
That's how
more
mouth
clients
publicity.
are from mouth publicity.
Yeah. So
And
like
you're working
yeah,
with AKFD also. That is also
yeah,
a big platform to work with. So Shayad, you also got a lot of
yeah. Like
projects from there.
yeah, no, not from there, but like I learned very like almost everything from AKFD, because that is a very big
Hmm.
for my life in design field as well as in photography field. Because from there I know how to generate things and how to
Hmm.
market.
True. True.
So it's a very good platform for me.
So your first
Yeah,
experience, job experience actually taught you a lot. Yeah,
yeah, very much.
true. Nice.
Like
Anjali, like, would you like to talk about it, like your brand and what you're doing at Studiographa? We would like to know more.
Why not? I'll just show you something. We redesigned the logo. So I'm going to show you how we redesigned it.
Yeah.
So this was the previous logo. This is the logo animation. This was the previous logo. And we
Hmm.
shortened it up and we made it bolder. So what I'm trying to say is
I think
that
we can't see your. Have you done the presentation? Have you switched on the presentation mode? We can't.
yes, yes, I'll share it again. I'll share it again. Are you able to see, ma'am?
I can't see it right now. Um,
we are
Okay, let it be. I'll just tell you the entire story as it is.
okay. Okay. Yeah.
So we launched Grapha I mean, last year in 2019 in July,
Hmm.
and we wanted a name that was very catchy and which was very short and had some, a ghost presence of graphic design. So that's how Grapha came about, and we also made sure that it is both in Indic and Latin script, because we are Indians, okay, and I relate to uh, the language of Hindi more, even though I'm speaking English right now. So
Okay.
Yes. So जो ग्राफा का जो लोगो है उसको हम लोगों ने लाइन एंड डॉट का एक बहुत ही अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन रखा है, बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ डॉट एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ लाइन and then it flows into bigger things. So I think yes, so that's the logo. And we wanted both design and art to be a part of the logo and the brand, and we wanted to take everything that is design, art and craft, because they all they might have thin lines between them, but they kind of go together. All of them travel together hand in hand, even though they are traveling parallelly. So that's the concept of the brand. And we we work for startups, and we are a startup ourselves. And it's good to work with startups because you learn a lot, firstly, as a student. And also it feels great to give somebody that platform, and that face that they want, and they through which they can take their business forward. So that's all Graph is all about.
Yeah. Can you just try once again to present your logo and how you came up with it? You have an interesting animation video.
And yes, I'll again try.
Yeah.
um, is it visible?
No, we can't see right now.
Okay, just a second.
Shivam, do you have her logo? So you can also like
Yeah, I'll try.
you can
Is it visible now?
No, I think I was. It's not showing right now. You're presenting it?
Yes,
Have
I am present.
you seen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Let's also try. Yeah.
Is it visible, ma'am, now?
No, I can't see it. Swati, can you once check like why it's not?
Yeah, Gitanjali, you can try sharing your complete screen once and then open the file.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, I'll do that. Yeah, I'm doing that only, but I think it's not happening. Your entire screen.
And then you select
Can you?
the tab that you will see and then click on share.
Okay. I think it's sharing already. Is it visible now?
No, actually, it's not. Maybe you can try.
Maybe we can start up with another question, and meanwhile we can try like if we can.
Yeah, sure.
So what are you doing at Studiographa? Like, can you talk about some of your projects which you have done in the past?
Yes, ma'am, why not? So the first project that we did as Studiographa was this wonderful project for Think Tea. It's a Polish brand, and it was supposed to launch this year, but they have postponed it, of course. Otherwise, you would be able to see the little packets in shops everywhere. So what we did in that project was we tried to take inspiration from a Polish craft. That craft is called Wysinanki, and it's a hand. What is it? Yes, it's a hand cut paper craft, and we tried to digitalize it. We took some of the elements and we tried to make a beautiful packaging out of it. I'll try to present the packaging again. Please let me know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
No, Gitanjali, it's not.
Okay, there is some technical issue.
Are you getting an option of share? There will be another message of share which will come to your screen when you do it.
Yes, yes. No, I'm not. That share option is not clickable. It's in gray color, so it's not clickable, I think.
Gitanjali, can you try login in again so that maybe
Yeah,
can you log out?
I'll join again. Yes.
Yeah. So I think meanwhile, Abhishek will continue with you. Like, what were the main product domains जो आप अध्ययन design में you were working on? Like, which were your initial products and your clients?
My initial products are kiosk design, card design, and bottles, pendants, furnitures, lights,
Okay.
and some of accessories related to like tabletop accessories.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we'll move further. So I think both of you, if you're working in the branding sector, I would like to know, like, what do you understand, like what is branding and how important it is for the craft industry? Like, can you both shed some light on it? Ki, when it comes to craft, why it is very important to have good branding, packaging, and graphics? Like, if it is important, yeah.
Yeah, so like I can tell you about branding with a very good video which I shared you a link. So can you try to like activate if
एक
possible?
minute. Gitanjali, can you see? Can you go back to like presenting?
Ma'am, I just tried sharing it. Please let me know if it's visible. I'm playing the video right now. Is it visible?
No, it's not. Uh,
Hello. I'm really sorry to
Hi,
interrupt
Adya.
in between. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Gitanjali. Hello, Abhishek. Yeah, actually, I
Hi.
was saying कि maybe Shruti Di can present the logo if she's also on the call. शायद कोई और present करेगा तो maybe it will work out. So that is
Yeah.
what I was suggesting. Yeah.
Shivam, can you share all my links to Swati?
Yeah,
So
I have
that
done that. I've
like
already done that because I am also not able to present right now.
yeah, because she is good with technicals related to Google Meet.
Swati, you can even open Instagram. Adi, can you go to your Instagram account if you can open it and if you can try sharing?
The Grapha logo thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. Just a second.
Yeah. I'm sorry about the technical problems, like error.
So meanwhile, at least I can talk to the people here.
Yeah.
It is good to see both
Thank
of
you,
you,
ma'am.
Gitanjali and Abhishek. And
Hello, ma'am.
hello. And it is really, really good, to see you people like this mature and out of the institute and talking about, your work. It feels good. And
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to look at what you're wanting to share. I wonder why is there a problem? Because in my computer, I can see present now, but I'm not presenting anything. But anyway, let's see. We see that soon. And good to see you people. I just wanted to say hello meanwhile and utilize the time. Yes?
Hello to you too, ma'am.
Yes.
It's such an honor to be here with everyone from ICD. It's like
So
a
good.
mini reunion.
Yes, yes. So good. Please carry on. Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we'll start with the question, Gitanjali, if you can highlight a more on about like how branding in craft sector and craft industry it is important and what role it plays.
Yes, I think I would like to firstly tell why branding is important for the craft sector. I think we learned that in college as well. The thing is that to compete with the market right now, with the mass manufactured and industrial products, who I mean, those brands are doing so well in terms of branding and presenting and reaching out to the consumers and getting more and more audience to compete with that kind of that level of marketing and branding. Crafts also needs to step up. The industry needs to step up and start, promotion on various social media platforms. They need to go online, and I think this coronavirus thing,
Yeah.
I think this, yeah, sorry, there was slight disturbance. So this COVID-19 pandemic is like an indication that we all, as craft people, as the craft community, together we should go online and have a online presence as well as the physical presence that was previously existing but not accessible now. So online presence is more accessible now, so it's very important that you have a nice brand. You have uh, you are updating your brand every day, you are reaching out to the audience, and that's the
Screen share.
importance right now.
Yeah. Okay. And what about Abhishek? Like, how do you define it? Have you done any of the product shoots for artisan and craft products? And what was your experience?
Like I recently made one product made out of Sultana craft. It's a wire weaving craft. So like
Oh,
when I design my product, so like I like continuously working with artisans. So like they are very fine and very dedicated, and like they just need a exposure with the designer so that they can represent their skills to people and they can give
yeah.
them a work.
Yeah, true.
Yes, like can you share that video wire weaving?
I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to do it through
Yeah, it's
phone.
on your.
Can you
Yeah,
see it,
just
Abhi?
Yes, ma'am,
yeah.
we can see that.
Can you make, yeah. Can we like hear the sound also?
It's okay, Abhishek. Just please explain
It's
what
okay.
is
It's okay.
like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, have you seen this like hanging lights made out of wire? Hello.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, I just want to say with the video. So like, this is how you can represent a craft as a design brand.
Hmm. Yes.
So this is the main motive behind this. So like, if we do like for each and every design and each and every products of ours, so if we can make the process video, so like it will give a presentation to our client as well as to people who don't know about these kind of crafts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like many people don't know about Sultana craft,
Hmm.
but this is a very old, very beautiful craft, and like this is how like I believe in branding and how to showcase your product through branding.
Yeah. To show the craft through a process, and people will get to know how much
Yeah,
hard work goes into it. So that's the importance
yeah,
of branding and how it, enhances the product's value. So
yeah.
definitely. Hmm. All right. Shubham ma'am, you're on mute, I think.
So, Abhishek, can you talk about this product also? like the kiosk project which you have done?
Yeah, so like this is a pani puri cart which I made for my client, like who based from out of Aurangabad. Like it's Namrata. Namrata
Okay.
is a caters brand in Aurangabad.
Okay.
So
Okay.
like the challenge is, so like they are a very big caters and they want, and their pani puris are very famous. So they want that
Okay.
pani puri need to be a separate brand for them. So
Okay.
it's a very different business technique and a like business brand for them. Like they spending
Okay.
like these kind of efforts on these particular cards. So I particularly designed this card for them. So like it's
Okay.
totally
So
made
this is
out of like metal, AP
concept and
sheet,
tender drawing.
and steel,
Okay.
as well as glow signboard branding.
Okay. Okay. So there are some more pictures. So this is a conceptual design project which you have done in your brand Adyan Design.
Very affordable cost. So that is a challenge.
Okay. Okay. And there are few more. We will continue with it.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sharing the products. So few more projects like which you have done.
Hello.
Ah, so I think there is a photo shoot. There are more photo shoot and projects of your brand in this,
Yeah, like
and we'll
this is
yeah,
this is a Adhan Design Studio Instagram account, and like here, like
yeah,
whatever I designed, like related to logo, related to graphics, related to my products, graphic, geometric motion, water bottle,
yeah.
like everything is there. So like you can find some very good interesting frames of the product which I shooted.
Okay,
Yeah, so like it's a very limited products but nicely presented, which I feel like.
okay.
Oh,
So this is
yeah.
this fooder is your logo design project.
No,
The
no, no,
food.
no. Fooder is the name of the my first card which I did for myself.
Okay, okay.
Designed
And
a
you
separate
do a
logo.
lot of yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, and you do a lot of this craft films also, which you are making under
yeah,
your
yeah.
brand.
Because, yes, yes. So, like
Yeah.
this is the process during a water bottle which I was making before in summers.
Uh,
So here you can see.
we will try to play Studiographer clip also. Maybe Gitanjali can talk a bit
Yeah.
about it.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, I've also shared some images with you on WhatsApp. It's related to the previous question you asked for how to brand crafts,
Yeah.
craft brands. Sorry, how to work for craft brands. This is our video. This is the video that we recently uploaded on our social media portals. There's a redesigning of the logo and how we've made it better, bolder, stronger. That's the concept. So, yes.
Hello,
Basically,
Gitanjali.
it's, yeah. Hello.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I really like your logo.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's
And
basically the,
my
yeah.
clients are also watching your logo and they really liked it.
Okay. Am I getting a deal out of this?
Yeah, I think so. I think like they are very interested in your work also, and like they are also like I think I already recommended you.
Oh, thank you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much. And thank you, Eknama. If you liked my this thing, I got a message from Eknama. So thank you.
We have a movie on like how they came up with the logo. So I played that also.
Thank you, Director Ma'am. You also liked it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Basically, it's the combination of a dot and a line, and everything starts through a dot, and then it goes to a line, and then it goes to more bigger things. So that's the entire concept of logo. And I love wearing bindis, so I made that dot thing very prominent on the logo. I think that was a personal touch. So I think a good logo is something that is very, very significant for your brand, very, very important for your brand. And it takes, if you design a good logo, then you're almost done with the branding part. So
Yeah, true.
that's all I can say about logo design and branding.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hi, Gitanjali. Yeah. Huh. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I
Yeah.
was saying
Yeah.
the stop motion, the stop motion thing also which you have done for your brand. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. Hi, Gitanjali. Okay. So we'll move back to the questions about, and like you were saying, the craft industry makes very important, like to brand and package the things well. Like the projects you have done. And I think it's important because mainly kya hai ki we have like really beautiful products, the craft products, but it is not like well presented and well branded. So somewhere they lose out of value when you are not showcasing it in a really good manner. So I think packaging and branding plays a very important role in this context.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So I think, yeah. So maybe Gitanjali, you were saying something about that. Like, how do you think what are the more values like when it comes to artisan and how they should present their brand and their products. So what can be the things which they can take care? If you can share some key points.
Yes. Firstly, when you're doing branding for a craft NGO or a social enterprise that works with craftsmen, you should always highlight the people who are involved in the company, who are doing all the back
Yeah.
process. You should highlight them. So they should be the brand. They should be the brand actually. They should be the ones who are,
Yeah.
defining things, who are explaining the value. And people always love emotion, how brands emotionally behave, because that's very much relatable. We all are emotional beings, so the emotional quotient has to be high for crafts brands. Even I mean, thanks to Binil sir, if he's here. Thank you so much, Binil sir, for taking our business communication classes. He always said that crafts have to be promoted in a very emotional way, because
True.
that is their USP. And there's such beautiful things, so much work goes into it. And if you don't show that side of the product, then people would never know. So you should always keep the artisans in the forefront, the process in the forefront, the emotional quotient in the forefront. I think that is very important for branding for craft NGOs and social enterprises and brands.
Yeah. And like some points, अगर हमारे कोई artisan ये देख रहे हैं, like we will be posting it on our social media also. आप दोनों से मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि क्या points ऐसे हैं जो आप share कर सकते हो, how they can present their goods well, like in the market. Nowadays, artisans are also showing products on Instagram and WhatsApp. So maybe in terms of photography and branding, how to present it to the audience. Can you share some points on that?
Yeah. So, like, there is a very big point if we can share a story behind every product. So I think story is very important behind the presentation. So like that gives a life to a product.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. And after
Okay.
then, like after story, we can also represent according to story. So like everything takes place according to story, and we can plan everything
Yeah.
accordingly. So I think this is the this is the one of the important part in branding, in like shoots, in like everything, in representing how like it's made, like that.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah.
Abhishek, I have also opened your Instagram page for Abhishek Single Photography. So can you talk a bit about what are the brands you have worked with and like some of the photo shoots you have done? So can you share some experience?
Yeah, so like जो अभी आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, like I recently did all these lifestyle shoots for
हाँ,
artists, Mirai Woods, and like many upcoming
okay,
brand also. So like they already launched all these products on their website portals. So
okay,
like this
okay.
is how they can like लाइक जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स में क्या होता है इम्पोर्टेंट कि जैसे ये हैंडमेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो आपको अभी दिख रहा है, और ये कुशन्स हो गए, these are artifacts of shoots,
Yeah.
or you can show a light and a glass and motion pictures.
Yeah.
I think I'd like to add something.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. So I think from Abhishek's, all the examples from Abhishek's profile, we can see that this backgrounds are very simple. So if artisans अगर उनको present करना है तो वो background बहुत simple रखें ताकि उनका product highlight हो. I think that's a good tip. सबसे simple tip है ये तो, background simple रखो and product highlight होगा. And video communication, क्योंकि आजकल लोगों के पास इतना time है, they have all the time in the world. I think you can always post videos because earlier people had less time, so pictures worked better. Now people have time, so videos are a good way to engage audience. I think there are 2 tips for the artisans.
Thank you, Gitanjali, for sharing these tips. I think I would like to ask you, like, are there any things you would like to share your thoughts or advice to our students? Like your experience, and how do you think, like, you have been at that place at IICD. So would you like to talk a bit about it to the student community?
Sure, let's start with Abhishek. I mean, he's more experienced and he's my senior also. I'd also learn from him.
अभी क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, और अगर आप जब स्टूडेंट थे तब कैसा सोचते थे, और आप क्या शेयर करना चाहोगे अपने व्यूज?
Like when I was a student at IICD, so like it's a very great journey with IICD because उस टाइम पे क्या होता है कि हमारे ऊपर कोई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं होती टू अर्न और टू लाइक यहाँ पे ये जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है, वो प्रोजेक्ट करना है. वी जस्ट हैव ओनली वन थिंग इन आवर हैंड एंड दैट इज आवर कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो अगर उस टाइम पे हम लोग पूरी मेहनत कर लें अपने पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट्स पे, तो आई थिंक कोई आपको जज नहीं कर पाएगा कभी. एंड यू डोंट नीड टू सर्च फॉर वर्क.
ट्रू.
वर्क का मतलब ही वही है कि लोग आपको अप्रोच करें, ना कि आप लोगों को अप्रोच करो. ऐसी आइडेंटिटी बनाने का अगर चांस मिल रहा है कॉलेज के अंदर, आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. तो लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द लाइक मैंने बहुत टाइम से मैं काउंसलिंग कर रहा हूँ विद आईसीडी स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो. तो एक चीज मुझे कॉमन दिखी है कि लाइक एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आफ्टर 4 years डू वी गेट एनी वर्क, डू वी गेट द जॉब, like all these things only, but they don't never talk, like most of the people don't talk about so what kind of project should I do, is this good or not. So like after like अभी रिसेंटली मुझे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स से बात हुई है, तो उन लोगों से मुझे पता चला कि they are really doing good with the products, so they are talking about products only. So like if we talk about quality and product, and you don't need to find any kind of project or any kind of job, people will approach you automatically.
True. Yeah. Gitanjali, would you like to add something?
Yes, I would first, I would say कि Abhishek is absolutely right. And further adding to it, I would like to suggest all the students that are right now here in the meeting that right now you have all the time in the world. So firstly, you should work on the skills that you already have. You try to, make them better. And if you have already done that, then learn more skills, learn new things. That is one suggestion. And the second suggestion would be that whatever you do, give your 100%. I've learned this from all the teachers, from Meenakshi ma'am, from Meghna ma'am, everyone who has been so close to me and have mentored me. They have always said that whatever it is, give your 100%. And when you give your 100%, automatically things are nice. So those are 2 advices from my side. Learn a new skill and give your 100%. Yeah.
Nice. So we are seeing some of your illustrations on your wall. I would like to know more like which softwares you are using, and like if you can talk a bit about your illustrations and your work.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we use all the softwares that were taught in college only, ICT only. Illustrator, Photoshop, and those are the two softwares that we majorly use for illustrations. Apart from that, for animations, I did a short course after college for animations. That is Adobe After Effects. So 6 months of that, and that was good. That is why I'm stressing that learn a new skill. It will add to what you already know. So you can,
Yeah.
present your
So
ideas
you
in a
can
better
build
way.
on your base. You can build. You can keep on
Yes.
building on your base. If you know
Yes.
one software, keep on learning and polishing it further. Nice.
Exactly.
Okay. Abhishek, like what are your ways, like what infrastructure do you use? What sort of photography, like when it comes to studio photography, how you went on building your infrastructure and what instruments you are using? Hello, Abhishek, you are on mute. Sorry.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. So like in
Haan, Abhishek.
photography, I recently made my studio. So like there
Okay.
I'm using Lightroom light setup 200 FRX and 400 FRX for commercial
Okay.
photography. So like commercial photography
Hmm.
means like we do e-commerce and lifestyle shoots for for different brands for different people,
Okay.
and these all are product shoots, product interior fashion, these kind of shoots. So like in e-commerce shoots, we generally do like very high quality white background product shoots. And in lifestyle, we need to make some props, we need to make some concepts behind the product. And after then, we need to click it. So like this is
Okay.
how most of the website works. So they need like a regular base of like e-commerce shoots and some conceptual shoots for their cover page
Hmm.
branding. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So like this is the main like reason behind this is the main reason behind photography.
Nice. Thank you. We are
For me.
opening a session now for our audience also to ask like questions. If they have any questions to ask from our panel, like Abhishek and Gitanjali, we are open for questions now.
Ma'am, you can stop this thing, the presentation part. Maybe then we can
Yeah,
see them.
I'll do that. Yeah,
Okay.
just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Are there any questions from the audience side? Yeah.
Hello, Mansi. You're
Oh,
on mute. Okay.
okay, wait. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, it's so good to see you, both of you.
Same here.
So, hi. It's so nice. Your work is awesome. I'm just loving all of that. Just a little question. I think, do you think that when, like, because it's about branding right now, so I would like to know that if like you initially start like you initially start your brand and things like that, and you start branding, you have a proper a proper thing for it. Like, do you think that the customer behavior changes branding, or you like, what do you think? Should the brand be very consistent with what they are doing, or they should have a space for like to look forward to the customer behavior and what people are really looking into, and that like it depends. If the customer liking something, so you keep doing that, or you want to stick to what you want to do, it's like in branding and stuff like that. So it's like,
Yeah, I think this is a very good question, Mansi. Thank you for asking this question. Uh, the consumer behavior is very important when it comes to branding and marketing. And even right now, I mean, brands should revisit how they have been posting things, how they've been marketing themselves, because people right now are so emotionally shocked and they need support. So you'll see this trend that every brand is like coming together. There are a lot of collaborations happening. People are saying that don't lose hope, stuff like that. Why are they doing that? That is being done because they have observed the consumer's mindset, and every brand should do that. Right now they're doing in this way. Earlier they used to do in a different way. Post COVID they will do in a different way.
Yeah.
And consistency in what you're showing is good, but you should you should always follow trends also, as when it comes to marketing, because people, you know, they I mean, they get bored very easily. We all are people, we get bored. And the only thing that you should maintain is probably the aesthetic value of your brand, but the content can vary. It can be updated. It can be according to the news that is going around. It can be to support a cause that is required. So I hope this answers your question. You have to like redesign, revisit things. Aesthetically, you can keep the thing consistent, so people can relate to the brand in that way.
Yeah. Do you have a website? Do you?
Yes, we have a website. We're relaunching the Grapha website on 15th of July. So we'll be posting about that. So you'll get a notification. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you so much for the question.
Gitanjali, I'm able to open your those things also right now. So I will be presenting it on screen, the Rasleela thing. If you can talk a bit about that also. Yeah.
I have a
Can you
question
see
for
it on the screen?
Gitanjali. I have a question for Gitanjali.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Gitanjali,
Yes.
you were talking about, rather you all were talking about COVID-19 situation.
Yes.
I'll basically ask you about something at the basic ground level. Have you or are you planning on reaching out to the rural areas during the COVID and say up to about a year plus post-COVID? We don't know when that post-COVID may come about, but I look at it in the next 2.5, 3 years. How are you going to reach out to them?
The rural people.
That's right, because you were talking about basically artisanship at the rural and say semi-rural, semi-urban areas, right?
Yes. Yes.
That is one. Second, are you planning to reach out to certain companies in these areas where through their CSR they can help you reach out to people?
Okay. All right. So, Uncle, I thank you for asking this question. And I would just give you this very small example of something that happened today only. So I got a call from a potential client, and she is working with women who are making masks. And there's just there women from rural areas as well as urban areas, but low economy groups, and they are making masks. And she wants a platform to market that thing so that they can earn through it, you know. So we will, if the deal is finalized, we'll be working with them and we'll be working for the brand. And hopefully the women will get a platform to present their work. And she said she's not just going to market masks, she's also going to go broader with the product range. So that means through links and through people, I might be able to reach out to them. Studio Grapha would be able to reach out to them or help them in a way. Directly, not possible, because I don't know how to do that. I've not thought about that business plan yet.
Yeah.
So I hope that answers the question.
Yeah, it does. And I would suggest that you do that. Also, the moment you launch your website on, you said 15th of July.
Yes,
do reach
we
out,
will be launching.
Do reach out to at least all those who have been on the audience today. Maybe
Sure.
That way we should be able to further say disseminate it to various people, right?
Yes, Definitely, definitely.
And very well done. I mean, I would say this particular session was
Yes, thanks
nice.
to IICD. Yes.
Thanks to all of you, in fact.
Thank you. Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Gitanjali, can you see the screen? Like the Ras Leela project, if you can talk a bit about it.
Yes, ma'am. So this is one of my internship projects, and this is a good example of how to brand for how to do branding for a social enterprise that works with artisans. So Ras Leela is based in Ahmedabad, and they wanted a person to do all their branding and stuff. And what we made sure, I mean, me and Hetal ma'am, who is the head of this brand, we made sure that the artisans are at forefront, and they are always, always the face of the brand. So we did photo shoots of the artisans. We posted about them in all the exhibitions that were undertaken during my internships. So I think this is one good way of presenting a craft brand through the face of the artisans. That is very important, and I've been stressing about it, stressing on the same point for a very long time. Yeah, this one, like hashtag Go Kora Clothing, this was a movement that was started by the brand, which promoted grey cloth, which is a cloth that is not dyed in any harmful coloring. So they were trying to promote this Kora cotton, and such movements also you can start up. All these movements that are related to the craft sector, and people don't generally recognize the value of a plain fabric. I think you can do that through good branding methods like hashtag Kora Clothing. Is just promoting plain fabric, plain gray fabric without any dyes. So such movements and including the artisan in your brand is very important for a craft brand. So
True.
That's
I totally, and you beautifully presented it through these brochures and websites. You have given like details of artisan working and like their process pictures. So I think it's a very good way of presenting a craft brand. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I think IICD has taught us the entire process of how to make a product and then brand it. And I'm so grateful for being a student at IICD. I think it has helped me in so many ways, and so many brands have also been helped through me or through Abhishek. I think it all comes back to IICD, I think.
I think, yeah, we all three are alumni of IICD, and I know what value it holds. And it's so good and inspiring to see like all our alumni are actually really proudly, we can say, they are contributing towards the sector, and they are building, and they're going with the mandate of IICD. So I thank you both and all our audience to actually join in. And
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So it was very
Thank you so much.
And I wish you both a very good luck and best wishes from IICD and all of us over here.
Thank you so much.
Let you take the sector further nicely. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. And you also take care.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining in. And I wish all of you a good luck and a good time during this pandemic, and hope to see a bright future. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.